YouTube. I just wanted to show you my new Arctic wolf I got. And this is Victory, the Curly Gem, super noble. Should totally be a friend. She's pretty awesome. I'm not her friend yet. Yeah. Also want to show you my castle. I'm gonna go outside.
Pizza's good.
She doesn't know I'm making a video, so it's gonna be surprising when I tell her. Well, this is my small tree house, my wolf totem, my 2 pet foxes, a hamster, my 4 horse plushies, corn, which I have to pick. My brother's computer's making noises if you hear any extra noise in the background. Also, my mom's TV's on my welcome mat, my butterfly, my frog, my tree, my throne room, crystals, my duckies. I have 2. I don't know why. Well, one of them is a mischief maker. He poops everywhere. This is my room. It looks like my brother's here. And this is my maid's room. This is my brother. He also got an Arctic wolf. Go up here, blah blah blah. Here's a prince or princess's room, depending. No. The aquarium. This is the lounge area. Yeah, I have no more buddy room, sorry people. Just send me a demogram and I can get rid of some people, okay? Okay, right here is the princess's room. And I have a dragon, so, yeah. This is my dragon. Wait, just keep down. Some of my animals don't have eyes. Why is that? Like what? Oh. My dragon. And that's pretty much all my castle. So yeah. So I hope you like it. You should totally come over sometime. Ah! The littlest pet shopper.
I'm the dragon.
Remember, littlest pet shopper. Littlest pet shopper. Okay, people. So I hope if you like and subscribe. Wait, first I'm going to tell my friend I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, making a YouTube video.
I'm making a YouTube video.
Then people can read. Let's see what she says. Come on, react! Doesn't seem like she's reacting at all. It's still fun if they don't react. Peace. Read what it says. Okay, bye, YouTube. By the way,
And quiet.
then shut up. And now, ice cream. Dun dun, ice cream. Okay, seriously though, bye, YouTube. Wait, first I want to dance. Bye, YouTube. Why did I say bye, YouTube so many times? I mean, I'm gonna quit, but then I'm not. So sorry, guys. Bye.